Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling location and granting permissions. This lets the app track you accurately. Once done, check battery level and enable battery saver only if you won't need high accuracy. Tap Sign In or Create Account and enter minimal details. You can skip extras. Then choose a map style and toggle offline tiles if you expect no signal. This caches essential data. Don't delay. These steps make the app responsive and prevent routing errors when you start a run. Now, plan your route by picking the start, end, and any intermediate waypoints. You can drag points to reshape the path. Make sure to select your activity mode because routing algorithms change. Running versus cycling alters permissible paths. Once chosen, adjust accuracy and pace thresholds so tracking records only relevant GPS points. Enable voice prompts and turn-by-turn for hands-free guidance, and review the elevation profile to anticipate climbs. This setup keeps navigation smooth and prevents mid-run surprises. You press start and keep the phone secure. Follow voice prompts and glance at live stats when safe. Once you reach the end, press stop and save to preserve the session. Then export as GPX or KML if you want a backup or share a PDF summary with others. If the GPS drifts or routing freezes, first try toggling airplane mode, then re-enable GPS. If that fails, force close the app and relaunch. Always verify saved files to ensure data integrity before deleting temporary caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.